Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. Thank you for watching my videos and giving me so much love. I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to make a hair video. I'm going to show you how to curl hair with a curling rod, which is my favorite. And I will give you some tips throughout the video. So before we waste any time, let's get started. Alright, so to start off, as usual, I like to apply the heat protector on my hair before I use any heat to my hair. So just run your fingers through, or you can just brush it out. So I've just brushed my hair. I'm now going to curl my hair with my favorite curling rod, which is from Mac Curl Stick. Alright, to use this, because the rod is pretty hot, you have to protect yourself through your hands, so you have to use the glove, so this won't make my hand burn. Okay, so this is very quick. So you use the rod on one hand, put the glove on one hand, and just work through the hair. Oopsie, I've got Aria at the back. She's happy and playing. Let's see for how long. Okay, so now here's the tip. If you have flat or really thin hair, what you need to do is to get that big bouncy heavy hair look. So divide your hair into two parts so you can curl one side at a time. So let's work on this side first. So suppose you have light and thin hair and you always get flat look, like suppose like this. So to get the volumized heavy look curls, all you have to do is, when you are curling, so I like to curl from the back. Start from the back and then keep curling towards the front. So if you are doing that, so you're gonna do it, tease each layer, each section you're curling. That is the tip for heavy look. So as I just teased this part, this portion, now I'm gonna curl with my glove on. So you hold the curler from the back. So you roll the layer or the section around your rod just towards the back, so the hair going backwards. It's gonna be so quick, as you can see. It's because the rod is very, very hot. Look, it's beautiful. So I've just finished curling my hair on this side. I'm going to leave the top part for now. I'll tell you after why I'm leaving that. There is another trick and tip about that. So we'll do the other side, same, but I'm going to curl the whole side. Just for this side, I'm keeping the top part separate, but this side I'm going to curl the same way I did my other side. So I'm going to take small sections. So I'm gonna finish the whole side and I will be back. So I've just finished curling both my sides. So this side is done and that side is done. Remember, I left this part just to curl it after. So the reason being, you can curl this side backwards as normal, as I did the other part. If you want to leave the hair open like that, just like that, and if you are going to an Indian event and you have to put the tikka, so that's what you do. You do the middle part, just like that. Imagine these are also curled if you are doing the middle part. and you look at the size of your string, how big it is. Mine is that big, so I have to go right at the back over there. So you go to that part, just there, take a small section, like a really small section, and you tease that part. So it's called back combing or teasing, like backwards, and you leave it. Just nicely blend all the hair together so you can't see the teasing part. So what the teasing will help, so you have a bobby pin, you put it on the end of the tikka, just there, and then you kind of push it in your hair. Mine is pretty long. And you take another one, put it on top of the first one. Now it's sticking perfectly fine. It's not coming down, it's sticking. And so the tikka is set. You can cover where the pin part is. You can take the section from the middle, just where the crown area is, and then you kind of tease that. I think I picked it up. Okay. Yep. So back combing, spray, and gently spread it. In that way you will hide the pins. The pins are not visible if you don't want pins to be shown. So just like that. Yeah, you can do more teasing. I've just done the light just to show you how you can do it. And another tip I was going to give you is, if you are going to a party and you're applying that tikka and you are worried about the tikka to move to the left and right when you're dancing, so here's the tip. You use the blue tack just according to the size of your tikka. I call it a tikka, some people call it a mang tikka. So you have the blue tack, make sure it's not visible from the tikka from the front, so just push it down wherever you want to stick on your forehead. So just push it, press it, and it's now sticking. It's not going left, right. So I'm happy where it sits. So that was the tip. Teasing part was the tip, to get the pin to get stuck where the teasing part is, so the tikka won't move from the back as well. Sometimes this starts to come forward when you're dancing or walking at the party. So we have secured our tikka with the blue tack and with the teasing at the back and stucking the pin at the back. So the reason why I left this part was, so this is one, so this looks a bit funny because it's not curled. So this is one when you want to leave your hair by doing the middle part and like that. So the other thing is, if you want to do the side part, so like that, so that's why I left this side. So I will show you how to set it up. So you take small sections, like small layers, and now you're gonna tease it. So because we're going that way, so we have to tease this side. I'm not worried about this section because not worried to make it tidy, because this is gonna be covered by the last layer. So make sure you spray and then curl. I should be wearing a glove, but next time I will. And Arya is all happy and she's playing. So as you can see, the volume and the height with the teasing and the curling already. So that is done. So again, taking the last part or the leftover hair, doing the same thing, teasing, but this time I have to be gentle because this is going to be at the top. I've got some small layers, so you gotta do smoothing the hair as well as teasing from the back. Spray is important, so that will hold the teasing for longer. Again, I'm going to curl this part again like that, backwards. I think I missed one. Okay, yeah. And just taking over to the other side. Alright, so this is going to be a side part. So now I'm going to gently brush it out, very lightly. I don't want to take the teasing out. Bless you, Arya. She's sneezing. Okay. So now this part is optional, like whatever. It's all personal preferences, how you want to set it up. You know, you want to tie the half up, half down, but just to show you how to set it up, the tikka in the middle but having a side part. It's looking good already, but then you can see there's a lot of teasing and height on this side, volume, but this side looks flat. Now we have to work on this side, so we're gonna take sections. Now we have to tease. This side. It's actually very quick when you know how to do it. It's taking long because I'm going step by step and telling everything in details, so that this will be helpful if you are trying to do the curls with this type of hairstyle. This is a simple curls with nice volumized hair. So I like to tuck my hair at the back behind my ear so that my jewelry can be seen. So just like that, I'll quickly show you by wearing my earrings how it looks. So yeah, again, this is all personal preference, how you want to set it up. You can tease more on this side, more at the back, more at the front, depending on how high you want to go. I don't like too high. If I have to go, I'll just go very natural, and then do one side will be behind my ears and one side will be that. Again, it's how you want to wear it. So this is just the basic, how you get the volumized hair, big bouncy curls, how to do the tikka, how to tease the back, and how to set it up so it doesn't move. It's not moving at all. I can dance all night. Okay, so this was the tip I wanted to give you guys today about the tikka. So this is my final look. You can create this look at any event. You can do curls, you can apply the tikka. Even if you don't want to do that, you can simply tease your hair like that and leave them like that. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and especially this one. I put on so much efforts so that we can share my knowledge and experience with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please do let me know in your comments, and do not forget to like my video, comment on the video, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Arya is also saying please do subscribe my mom's channel. because if you do not subscribe, you miss out all the videos. You get the notifications if you turn on the notifications. So yes, if I put another video up, you will get the notification once your notifications are on. So click on the bell button, I think. All right, too much talking. Thank you so much. Bye.